Very much, and good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it and talk about where we have the watches in effect. Virginia Beach all the way down to Surf City. A tropical storm watch is now in effect, and we could be getting a little bit of storm surge. We're talking 1 to 2 feet here, and again, that's around Beaufort, the Crystal Coast, all the way through the Outer Banks, and we're probably going to get some overwash there. Meantime, there's Maria, and look at this area right there. It looks like some dry air is punched in there, and it's a little bit weaker right now, down to a Category 1 storm, and you can see the water vapor showing some of that dry air that has managed to get too close to the storm. But also, this was Jose's wake, and you see the colors that are a little bit lighter. The sea surface temperatures have cooled a little bit because where Jose went, we call that upwelling, and it brought the temperatures down a little bit, and hurricanes like to have warmer water temperatures. It'll move into slightly warmer water than it is right now, but it should hold its Category 1 strength as it moves along our coast. Winds at 80 miles an hour, gusts to 100, moving north at 7. We want to see the slow movement. The slower it is, the likely it gets caught up in the upper level winds. The path takes it close to the coast, about 140 miles offshore, down to a tropical storm, and then notice how it get whisked away and quickly moving away from us. You look at all the models, pretty much the consensus. There's the official track. Most of the models keep it well offshore. There's a couple that get it closer to the coast. If that's the case, the seas are going to come up, and that's going to be the biggest issue. But again, Maria riding around the Bermuda High. By the time it gets close to our coast, the upper level winds take over and just kind of take it away fairly quickly. So that's what we're banking on. But there'll still be some issues along the coast, and the biggest is going to be the seas from Beaufort over to Hatteras. Potential 14 to 18-foot seas, and our model goes a little bit higher than that, up around 20 or so for the Outer Banks. That'll cause the overwash. That's going to cause some beach erosion, and then quickly it's going to be exiting the area by Thursday. So along the coast, what we expect: winds sustained 25 to 35, gusts 45, maybe up to 60 at times. Waves 14 to 20 feet, 20 feet probably in the highest. Storm surge not that much, 1 to 2 feet, and rain not a lot, 1 to 2 inches. Most of the rain is going to stay offshore. For us tomorrow, a north breeze. We'll see a lot of clouds, temperatures a little cooler, low 80s. Then as we go into Wednesday, a northwesterly breeze becoming partly sunny to mostly sunny later in the afternoon, as Maria is going to be staying offshore. Here's your numbers for today.